Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to Moina.AI. Sir, this is this Moina.AI built to enhance the customer experience and kind of optimize your lead and your incoming customer traffic. Okay, so Moina.AI works in actually we engage with the business in two different angles. Okay, uh, there are uh, there are there are two or three times we kind of help business or enterprise to enhance their customer experience with Moina. So I will explain how Moina AI works in this particular demo session, and also I will explain how your existing business can be interacted with Moina AI, and how Moina AI can optimize your customer incoming customer leads, and how it will help your customer after you do the sales. Okay. To start with, I will just explain uh, how Moina AI, like what is the basic idea about Moina AI. Okay. So we kind of we have built this application since 1.5 years. How it is working is like, the basic idea is to automate everything. Okay. So now let's say I'm running a business. Okay, or you guys, sorry, Dev, you are running a business, right? Now the first thing in any business, right, is to generate the lead, talk to the customer, teach about the product, and then sell the product. After that, do the sales support. This is the general life cycle of any product, right? Now Moina AI kind of help your business in two ways: before sale and after sale. And how to do sales, how to manage inventory and everything, that is your core business, right? So first we will explain before sales how Moina AI is explaining, helping, and in the next part of the demo we will be kind of discussing how Moina AI helping customer after he or she purchase your product. Okay, so fine. So the basic idea of the Moina AI, it's kind of an AI generated platform. How it will work, the like the all AI platform, it will kind of an work on the knowledge base. So how it will generate, how we will be creating a knowledge base. So let's say you are running an e-commerce site, or you are running a let's say you are running a stores, or you are having a broker where you do a lot of property dealing, or you are running a medical shop, or anything, you are running an online kind of an online learning portal or anything, right? So how Moina AI build the customer knowledge or the knowledge base, uh, that first we need to, I will explain. Okay, so we have built our platform in such a way that it can get the information any means of media. Okay, but it has to be digital. Okay, so let's say you have a website where you put enter of your business and your inventory on the public, okay, public website, right? So we can kind of scan your entire website, get all those information, and build our knowledge base. That's the first way and the basic way we can do it. Second thing, let's say you don't have a website. Okay, you maintain enter your business through an Excel sheet. So we have, I'll give it, I'll show you from where you can build the knowledge base. So we have our our backend portal where you can inject your entire business data in the form of Excel. And once you're done, within 2 to 3 minutes, our processing engine process it, and I will build the knowledge, and our we build the knowledge, and our AI will be activated. Okay, so let's say you don't have that one. Okay, you have kind of running your business totally through an document format, let's say in a Word doc or a PDF or anything. Let's say it's any digital way you are managing the informations, right? So for that, nothing. We have a uploading platform. There you just go and upload your document, and you can just you just inject it. Within 2 minutes, we process your information and build our knowledge base. Once the knowledge base is built, right, then we start interacting with the customers. Okay. Now if you can see, right, you can interact your customer over the phone, or you can visit to the customer premises, or you have there are a lot of experiences center, right? A lot of outlets you put, and their customer will come, and you call customer for coming to your outlet, and you start explaining about the product. They learn about the product and buy the product, right? So those are the physical way of communicating with the customer, right? Those are the physical channel. I'm just giving you few 2-3 example, but there are multiple physical channel where you can interact with your customer. As our platform built on the AI, it's an agenting AI, so we can't physically connect with the people. We need a digital means where we can connect with the customer, right? So there are multiple mode. So the basic mode is like any of the chat, right? So let's say WhatsApp chat, every customer uses this. So we Moina integrated with the WhatsApp and communicate with your customer. Okay, that's the one way. Let's say you have a website where lots of your customer landing into the websites. Okay, so there also our chatbot will be active. Let's say you have an app, so in that app also our chatbot will be active. These are the very simple integration. 2 minutes job, you are done. Okay, other than that, let's say there is a Instagram channel, or let's say there are Facebook Messenger. So all the whatever way a customer can digitally interact, we try to activate in all the channel. Okay, now the next question is, okay, fine, I have activated Moina in your digital channel. Now how it will work? Okay, it will work like a normal chatting window, right? So how it will work? Let's say you have a business number, right? Let's say it's a 98564321. Now this number is you have, let's say you have 100 or 200 customer, they know the number and they want to inquire about the product. Okay, they can simply type into that particular number, ask for the details about the product. If that product has if the product is into our knowledge base, Moina.AI start replying to them. And the experience in such a way, the customer won't feel that some bot or some auto generated AI engine is replying it. It will be like a human feeling. You will have a blue tick, your tick will be blue, then there will be a feeling that somebody is typing it. I'll give you the demo very shortly. Okay, so that's how we transfer your knowledge, your business data to your customer. So this is kind of an pull model where customer wants the information, but there might be a push model where you want to tell to something to your customer. For that, Moina.AI has a broadcasting platform. Okay, so let's say you have a 1000 mobile existing customer, you want to broadcast. Let's say you have a new product, let's say this is like Diwali season, you have a new apparels coming in, and you want to kind of push this information to all of your customers. Okay, or let's say you have generated 1000 leads, you want to push this particular information to all of your leads. How you can do? So Moina.AI has its own broadcasting platform where you can build your template about the message. It can you can attach a voice, you can attach an image, you can attach a short video, you can write your own description about the product or whatever pricing it is. You can have a callback number. You form your message by own, creating a template. It will take 10 to 12 seconds to approve the template. Once it is approved, you list all of your customer number. We have a uploading portal. You upload the customer number, attach the template what you have created, and then press the send button. Boom, it will just send all the details to your customer base. Okay, this is how pre-sales we kind of help enterprises or businesses to interact the customer. Now on top of that, we have our own interceptor channel, which will kind of intercept between your business and your end user communication. End user means your customer. Depending on that, our interceptor channel will rank the customer, which we call Moina ranking. Okay, what does this ranking do? This ranking will work depending on your business goal. And how this rank will help to your business? It's nothing. It's just to tell you that what are the customer is most likely to convert. Let's say you have 1000 leads, right? 1000 people won't buy this. Only 10%, 12% will convert, right? Now you don't know who will buy it, right? But if the interaction happen through Moina.AI, so Moina.AI can, depending on your business goal or keywords, Moina.AI can predict it. Okay, who will buy, who will be buying the most? Because when he communicate, na, that communication will have a, let's say I want to buy a apparel, or let's say I want to buy some, let's say mobile phone. Obviously, I will inquiring more seriously as compared to somebody else is doing kind of a normal inquiry, right? If my intention is better, because I will go deep into understanding what is the features, what is the price, is there any offer running or not, is there any EMI option is running or not. So if I do this kind of inquiry, our AI platform will rank me higher, right? Such that when you start interacting your customer, you follow rank number 1, 2, 3, 4, and your conversion is really, really high. Okay. This actually helps. A lot of our existing customer really appreciate these kind of features. Okay. So this is the how before sales we will be interacting. After sales, it's a flat one. You don't need to have a you don't need to have a after sales support team. Okay. You just have to put the information into the knowledge base. Let's say if you have a return policy or not, if you have a refund policy or not, if somebody wants to really kind of do a replacement. These are the e-commerce I am saying. Let's say it's a medical business, some side effect is or not, if it is a property business, somebody want to resell or not. Okay, is there a resale available or not, is the booking amount refundable or not. So all those information you put it into your knowledge base, we interact with the customer whatever inquiry they have. So this is how we enhance your entire experience about customer acquisition, customer servicing. Okay. So by saying that, any questions you have, otherwise I will go into the demo.
I have one question, sir. So, is it possible to integrate my CRM to this? Is it possible?
Yes. We will see. Okay, so you are managing your entire inventory into your of your business into in the CRM. You don't have any
Mm-hmm.
specific kind of an Excel or something like that. Your
Nothing.
business data into your CRM, and you want to build the knowledge base depending on the CRM, right? So
Right,
yes.
sir.
So we kind of integrate with different CRM. So probably you might be using Buildesk or Zoho or any third party, right? If they have, I think most all the CRM having a open API. Okay, we can interact with the API and we can fetch the information periodically and build the knowledge base. No problem. For that interaction, for that integration, we will be needing 1 day or 1.5 days of time to kind of do the integration and testing. That's all. Nothing else. Okay.
Okay. So the
So,
next question will be like, as you said that the AI will read my business knowledge. So I have to give all my details related to my business from A to Z, right? So, like, what about my data privacy? Like, is it safe in your Moina.ai? Like, how
Yes.
much is safe?
Yeah. So I will come to that point once I complete the demo. But
Sure,
but
sure.
it is secure. It is secure. We are yet to be certified, but it is secure for each businesses. We are having different tenant. Okay, data we don't share. Okay, but the common logic we share. Okay, which we call kind of an you there is a architectural pattern called multi-tenant applications where the physical data about your customer number, customer phone number, and all they are stored in different tenant. Let's say you have a business, I have a business, right? We don't mix the data where we store. They are physically different databases and different file system where it's stored. And also that is the basic of storing. Also the entire platform is encrypted. Okay, all the
Okay.
communication are encrypted using public and private key encryption methodology. Your data even can't be seen by our developer. Okay,
Okay, sir.
only test
Okay.
data they can see. Okay, to kind of add on, like we are also working few of the banks for their data security and privacy is important, just to give you an confidence. So we are that much secure. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
let me
Okay.
come back to you. I'll just give you a basic demo. I have kind of an, okay, this is kind of an basic dashboard of Moina.AI. Okay. Once you purchase our applications, so you will be providing a dashboard like this. Okay. So I am just I don't it's an OTP based login system where using an OTP you can log in. Okay, once you log in, you will be seeing this kind of a window. This is a basic dashboard. Now I'll go one by one. Uh, so to start working the Moina AI, right? First, what you have to do, we have to build the knowledge base. So how will you build it? Very simple thing. I told you, right? Either you can inject data or you can put your, or let's say you have an existing kind of an website or an app. From there we can scan data, right? So or third way is like we can interact with the any of the CRM platform or any other platform where you are kind of an giving the data to us, right? So before that, I'll let me relog in chat.moina.ai. I'm just logging into there. Yeah, so just a second, it's just loading in. Okay, so now I'll come to the document section. So here, uh, just a second, it's I don't know why what is happening now. It's little bit so as I told, right, to kind of Moina to activate, right, we need to build a knowledge base. Okay, how the knowledge base can be built? There are two three ways you can transfer your digital your information, your business data to our system. So first thing I told, if you have a website, we can scan your entire website, get the knowledge out of your website, and kind of build the knowledge base. So to scan it, sir, we scan it through an CDN. We have a we have put our scanner into the CDN. You don't have to do anything. If you have a website or you are doing it with a third party, you just have to ask them to add this tag into their head. Once you add it, then we can scan the knowledge your entire website and build the knowledge base. If you are running your business in Shopify, the same thing. If you are running your business in WordPress or WooCommerce, we do the same thing, nothing else. Okay. If you are having an SDK, then you can. If you are running through an app, we can scan the app data also. So this is the SDK integration for that app. This is a very simple integration. Let's say you don't have this digital platform. You want to kind of provide us the information, right? So there are two, three ways you can inject it. One is through an PDF. So you write off all of your information through PDF and kind of inject that information from here. You can upload your PDF from here and kind of inject it. Okay, then you are done. Okay, if you do it, I'm just putting an admit card over there. It will take 2 minutes. Okay, name is required. It's a sample thing, right? So because of that, it's not working. You have to provide a proper PDF thing to kind of an upload. Okay, so I don't have anything in the PDF as such for this particular account, but you can upload it. It's not a problem. So let's say you have running your entire business through an Excel. So this is an Excel where you can kind of upload your entire data through that Excel, and it is in active. Active means the knowledge base is already built. Okay. Now if you open it, you can see what I have put it there. So it's a one of my client data. He is managing into enter of his particular inventory through an Excel. Okay. So this is one of my client property dealing data. So he's doing it. I just inject all the information into here, and my knowledge base is built depending on that information. Now I'll go next. So this is how the thing can be built. Okay, then the knowledge base can be built. Other than this, you have raised one question that you have a CRM, right? How can the CRM can be integrated, right? So that's a custom integration. You need to provide the CRM related informations to us. What are the API and all? The same information we can fetch it from the CRM as well. Okay. So this is how we build our knowledge base. So Moina is build the knowledge base depending on the information you provide here, and these are nothing but the different chat setting. Okay, auto chat resolve time in minutes means each options have a meaningful region. Different customization you do. I'll go one by one. Auto chat resolve time in means how much time, let's say you want to schedule, right, 9 to 6 you want to do the, you want to kind of interact your customer by your own, right? So you can put the timing over here. In off business hour you want AI to be activated, right? Generally people don't use it, but we have these features. Lead keywords mean if you want to rank your leads depending on the few keywords, you can put those keywords over here. Like let's say you somebody asks for demo, so demo will become a keyword. Okay, somebody wants ask for let's say price. Okay, somebody asking for price range. Okay, or price. So then this, if anybody is asking for price in that chat window, that will become a lead for us. Like that, you can enter a lot of keywords and your ranking will happen, not ranking, your leads conversion leads will be generated depending on the keywords. If somebody chat with those keywords or some response is, somebody chat with those keywords, if someone is chatting with those keywords, we will be considering those as leads and you can filter the lead according to the ranking. That's the basic things, right? Now there is another mode we have implemented, that is like AI mode. Now let's say your customer is interacting 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and you want after 7 times you want to personally interact because the customer is very much interested, right? So this is also you can configure, like how many chat after that you want to personally interact, right? This is a very this is also very important things. Another thing is the language. So we have supported all the language: Bengali, English, Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, everything we support. Okay. Also we support international language, all German, Hebrew. Let's say you have running your business in Middle East, then Arabic, China. If you are running it, I have few clients in who is running and interacting their Chinese counterpart, Japanese. All international languages supported. This is LLM models. So I told you, right? It's an AI platform, right? So there are multiple LLM models right now active in the market. So these are the LLM model we support. And I think this is pretty much up to date LLM model. If you by default we are supporting GPT-5. Uh, if you want to kind of do your custom LLM model, you can do it from here. Okay, and I have explained you the engines. And there is a call features. So if you have an existing website or if you have an existing app and you want to avail the call features over the VoIP, voice over internet protocol, we have that. You don't need to worry about it. So VoIP call can be highly supported by us. Okay, but if it is in WhatsApp, we don't support it. It's not an IVR call. It's not. It's a simple VoIP call. I'll give you an example as well. So this is all about your live chat kind of an chat kind of an settings, right? Other than this, you want to do kind of an FAQ, so that you can do it through here. If you this report section is nothing but to give if somebody is interacting with you, how many chat sessions they have done. It's kind of an entire overview about your chat session into a single window. You can customize it, you can do a date filter, anything you can do. You want to do a custom date and all, everything you do. It's a normal dashboard. Okay, and this chat section is very important. This chat section is nothing but the live chat is happening your customer and your AI model. Okay, you can see entire chat details over here, and also we have another option that let's say some chat you are reading it through, you understand okay AI is doing his work, but you want to personally interact with the customer, right? Either you can call to that number, but you don't want to call, you can just kind of off it. If you off that operator, if you off the AI, it's a toggle button, then the operator comes in here. I can reply. Okay, I can do a custom reply. I can okay, test message. Let's see. So if I send it, this message will land up there. Okay. So this is the way you can interact with your customer. That's nothing else, right? So let's say you have 2-3 backend people who is always. Let's say you have a very big business who always kind of go and check it like okay how AI is kind of interacting with their one. If there are some unread one, he can call to that one. Some closed one, he can follow up. Some active one, he can see, right? So this is how we kind of maintain your entire enterprise lively with multiple customer in a single window. Okay, if you want to download, analyze it, you can do it. Okay, so as I told, this lead section is nothing. If you into your setup, whatever the keywords you pressed or keyword you keep it there, depending on that chat. If somebody chat with those keywords, will be converted those customer into leads, and this lead section will be fill up with those data. Okay, you can contact with them. This is just to optimize your entire operations, nothing else. This WhatsApp, as I told, WhatsApp is as a channel we provide by default because 95% to 98% customer interact through WhatsApp and mobile. Okay. So this is nothing. There is a very basic onboarding process. Within half an hour, if you have all the details handy with you, we can onboard it. Once you onboard it, then this account will be created by default, not by default, by the system, and we will exchange the key between ourselves. This is the WhatsApp to access token between the Meta WhatsApp and ourselves. This token will be automatically exchanged. And by the way, sir, to kind of tell you that we are the official tech provider of Meta. We have licensed it out. So you no need to do manual anything. You just need to give login and put a mobile number. Within 10 minutes, you will be onboarding into our platform, and this entire key exchange protocol will do by the backend. Nothing else. Now, as I told, there are two ways customer can connect. So I told you customer wants to interact through live chat. You can see that's a pull model where customer want to pull the information about the business, but you want to broadcast it. That means push model, right? So here you can come and create a template. It can support any language. This is an existing template which is already created. You can go and kind of see about the template. This is kind of one of my client pest control kind. I was doing a demo and I was explaining him. So this is one message he has created. I can create it by your own. Let's say it's a demo message. This is the name of the message. Then you can select any languages this customer, and this for the demo purpose I have selected English and Hindi. You can select Tamil, Telugu, any language. Okay, so let's say in English, welcome to Moina.AI. Okay, we are having exciting offer running. Okay, and this is the message you can form, and you can see how the message will be looks like. Then you can add a media, image, video, or audio. So this guy want only image and video, so that is the image. Now you can attach the image from here. I'll be attaching it just a second. This is our logo. Then you can have a header section. That fine. Header section is over. Now a footer section you want to do it. Let's say I want to do Moina.AI. It's a non-mandatory field, and you can put a tag. What this tag? This tag is actually helping us to rank. This is where you can kind of put your business goals. If you don't no problem. Depending on the category of the businesses, we have our own keywords to kind of rank it. But if you want to forcefully do it, then you can put a template keyword or description over here. Let's say I have to do about welcome message. Okay, now you can add a button over here. You can name the button over here. Let's say submit button. And if you want to kind of do a URL integration, let's say I am doing it www.moina.ai. So what will happen? Not submit, more. Okay. Now this button is created. If somebody click on more, then Moina.ai will be open. So if I create a add template, invalid URL provided. Okay, so I have to copy the proper URL. So this is my URL. I'll go here. I'll put it here. I'll add a template. Yes, I'm done. It's going for a template pending one. It will be approved within few minutes. Okay. Now if I go and see the demo, it will be look like this. If I click on more, like if I broadcast it, customer will click it. If they click it, they will be landing up with this website. This is pretty simple to create a template. Now if you want to do a broadcasting, it's nothing. You can do the broadcasting over here. Here you can put a broadcasting name. Let's say test campaign, and I'll come to the schedule one. So here you can kind of get the template how you can put the customer number. It's a very basic template, just a mobile number, nothing else. To whom you want to broadcast it, you can upload that template over here. Once you uploaded the template, not template, you have uploaded the mobile number over here, then you can kind of select the template, right? So let's say I have a test template. No, I don't have a test template over there. Let me just check what are the approved template I have. I have approved CP. CP is my the approved template, right? So I'll just do it here. I'll upload the customer number over here. Once I have uploaded, then I can select the template. I can kind of select it. Just a second. No, I have to see the what is the name of the template. City pest control, na message marketing English. So it is not coming. CP image. Okay, I'm just waiting. Yeah, 1 second. No, it has to be three keyword. Okay, no problem. I think that message I have created wrongly. That's not a problem. It has to be three keyword to do the searching. So you can kind of do it over here, the template one. Once you have attach the template, you have to send. If you send it within 2 minutes, it will go. Now, if you want to schedule the broadcast, right? Let's say for the let's say Diwali, you want to do it. You can create the template in advance. You can the broadcasting. You can create in advance. You can schedule it. Let's say Diwali is 28th, right? 28th, you want to schedule it. Let's say 10 a.m. सुबह का 10 बजे you want to trigger it, you just have to come here, do it. That's done. If you send it, yeah, that is. I have to I have to rename the template. That's all. I think that you can do it. I have to delete it and create it. I think this is wrong. It has to be. 1 second. Let me try it with the city one. No, it has to be three keyword. So anyhow, that if you schedule it, it will show you all the scheduling over here, and on that day it will trigger. Now once it is triggered, right, then what will happen? You can see, okay, you can see whom it is delivered, how many people see, how many people deleted, how many people sent, how many people failed. You can see it. So this is a test account. I'm just giving an explanation. Let me log into other one where I have a live data. I can explain you more. Just a second. This is Dinesh at Moina.AI. Sir, this is the dashboard login. You just check it out. So if I go to WhatsApp template, I have a lot of templates, right? Test, Durga Puja, test is there. So okay, fine. So here these are the these are the things, right? So I'll just show you. Campaign link like schedule Diwali. Diwali, Diwali. Let's say I have uploaded something I need to upload, otherwise it won't work. Okay, it has to be CSV mobile number. Anyhow, that's fine. Let's say test. See, it's coming. Oh, three keyword in needed, so we have to do it. If I said upload a CSV for sending. So okay, let me download the CSV. I think it's there in my download. 1 second, sir. It is in my download. So there I have a CSV. 1 second, I have CSV. Okay. So now I'm done. Diwali, let's say I want to schedule it for 20th. Okay, I'll just put it go, and for 20th, I'll just see. This is saying scheduled. So this will be trigger on that particular day. Now you can see the template. Okay. Because the template is just a hello one. If you see this template, it is just a hello one. So that's the reason. You can create your own template. That's not a problem. Okay. So let's say Durga Puja. Okay. So Durga Puja, na. So I'll just go and kind of do something with that Durga Puja, right? So let's say I need to create one campaign Durga Puja. Schedule it. Let's say okay. I'll schedule it. Let's say 24th. Okay, no problem. Upload. I have to go there. ठीक है. You are. I told you, na, three keyword is needed. If I press send, see, it's scheduled. Okay, now you can see the template over here with the image. Okay, you can see this is the way the entire schedule will happen. You can schedule n number of scheduling, the time and the date. Once it's qualified, boom, it will trigger it. It will go to everyone. Now, once it goes to everyone, you can see how many people. Let's say I have this is test, right? So it is being failed for both the people. Let's say this is I am. Here I can see that how many people it sent, how many people it's failed. These are the testing data. You are just seeing it. So nothing else. So here you can see if it is sent any of the things. So how many people it delivered, how many people seen the message, how many people delete it, how many send it, how many failed it. You can see everything. Here you can also do your entire customizations, right? How many campaign you have run. You want to put a filter, anything you can do. It's a basic dashboard, right? Now the thing is that if you go to the report section, you can see there is a user flag, very interested, not interested or not, everything you can see here, right? So if I go to 99 page, you can see this user is very interested, that means you have to call to them. This is how we do the ranking. Okay, so this is how it will work actually. Okay, one second, if I go to the number, you can see the what chat this guy is doing. So this is how the entire setup will work for the WhatsApp section. Any questions, Devji, any questions you have?
सर एक क्वेश्चन है।
Yeah, tell me.
अगर ब्रॉडकास्ट करने के बाद किसी कोई यूजर अगर रिप्लाई नहीं करता है तो उसको हम लोग ऑटोमेटेड फॉलो अप कर सकते हैं?
Yes, no problem. No, there is a options for follow up. Okay, so
Okay.
that option is not live in the test account, but yes, for few this customer, like for this particular account that is not activated, but yeah, custom follow up is also we have implemented. The way it is being scheduled, you need to configure it, saying that okay, if uh, if I broadcast it, okay, if customer didn't reply within 72 hours, then there will be a follow-up message. Now, what will be the follow-up message? You need to create a template. So that follow-up scheduling also we do. It's nothing, na? It's a simple. The way I have scheduled the broadcasting message, the follow-up needs to be rescheduled. Scheduled. That's all. Only consider is that the customer didn't reply. So this is the entire dashboard. I think I'm able to clear you.
यस यस।
Okay, fine. I'll just give you a one channel how it will work. Okay, so let me open a channel window over there. This is, let's say this is one of my client. I just have interacted with this Excel sheet data. I just explaining, right? So now let's say this client is asking, give me property details with in BG budget of, let's say, 50 lakhs, 50,000, 5 lakh, 50 lakhs. Okay, so I showed you one Excel sheet, right? So I'll just reopen that Excel sheet. That customer information I have kind of injected to the system. One second. Understanding, where is the customer data? Yes. So this is the customer data, right? So now I have asked one question to Moina.AI. Let's see what will happen. See, first blue tick. One second. I'm here talking. Okay, I have to stop. Uh, Stop. Okay, I have done that. I have asked the questions. The blue tick is done. Now it is coming and typing, right? So now I'll show you under 50 lakhs what are the project cost, right? So here, whatever the project is below 50 lakhs, okay, min max range, those things should be shown to the customer, right, as an inventory. Let's see how it is happening. Can you check it out? Like, is there any deployment going on? See, this blue tick and then typing. This is the way we interact. So these guys will feel like somebody is typing behind the scene. This is how kind of we interact with Moina.AI. Okay, so now he wants a property list of budget below 50 lakhs, right? Now it taking a little time because it has to enquire the entire inventory and kind of list it out. What are the property below 50 lakhs? Okay, just a second. Yeah. So it's interacting, it's trying, going to finding it out. Let's see what are the details he gives us. Okay. Okay, so I have explained you, right? So how a WhatsApp can be onboarded, template can be created, and can done broadcasting can be done. How the ranking will happen? I have logged in a separate account, and yeah. So how the report section will work, everything I have explained you, right? How the leads things can become, like how lead will be generated depending on the keyword and how knowledge base can be built. So I'll give you an example, basic example of a live few of the applications which our existing client is using, and we'll try to understand how Moina.AI work. Okay, so I have kind of listed down, one second. I have kind of listed down few of the chats client. So one is in the music industry, one is in the property industry, and there are a lot of, there are tax consultant industry, like tax in medical industry. But let's for a demo purpose, let's use 2-3 things, right? So Sunil REIC is an REIC group. It's an investment company. They do multiple type of. I am just briefing you, and then we'll chat. Okay, then we'll chat with him. And the behind the scenes, it's a Moina.AI. So Sunil REIC is kind of helping all. It's based out of Pune and helping all the customer for their property related businessmen renting and kind of for let's say you own a business, you own a co-working space, those details they kind of give you, right? So let me chat with that guy, right? Let's say I have his number and in a pull model as a customer, I want to fetch few information from Sunil sir. Okay. I'll write it. I'll just directly write it something, right? So give me a co-working space SPA space in Pune location. I don't go hi hello directly. I write. We can write a hi and hello message as well. But yeah, let me see. It's a blue tick. Then it's a typing, giving a user kind of an experience that somebody is typing, and then it's kind of display the message, right? So we have a full furnished 7-200 co-working space in Kharadi, Pune near WTC with 140 workstation, 3 cabin, and immediate possession. It also included one room and one meeting room. So this is the information Sunil sir has put into the knowledge base, and accurately my kind of an application kind of fetch those information and displaying it. Okay. Okay. So tell me more about this property. PRTOI. Okay. There's more about this property, like price and let's say price. Let's say price. Okay. Just like something. I don't know. The customer I'm just writing randomly. Okay. See, now the pricing information Sunil said didn't put it. I don't have the information right now. Submit your requirement to our expert who will connect you. Just click in the link or share your contact details. So, when I inquire about the pricing, SAT didn't put the pricing information in the inventory. Because of that, sir wants somebody to fill this Google form for this one. If I'm really interested about the property, I'll fill the form. If I fill the form, he will get the information and take it to the next level. So this is the way it's interacting. Let's say I will ask some other questions. Let's say, give me residential apartment, residential. Give me residential apartments in Pune location. So I am inquiring about the residential apartment. Let's see what will happen. Blue tick typing. Just to give you an experience. I don't okay. So there is no residential apartment. Sir is clearing it out. Sir is promoting few of the property right now. Because of that, it's coming like that. Okay. So this is the way it's interacting. So let's say I'll do something with the rag music. Let's say I type hi. Let's see. I'm interacting in a different way. Okay. So let's say what it will happen. Okay. See, if I just type in hi, it's saying Rag Music Academy offers courses in guitar, piano, keyboard, harmonium, violin, drums. Is it okay? It's giving the entire the academy provides this, right? So tell me or give me more details about guitar. UITR. Let's say I want to learn guitar, right? Let's see.
सर ये सारे रिस्पॉन्स के साथ हम लोग बटन भी तो ऐड कर सकते हैं ना?
Yeah, you can add the button as well. No problem. See, I'm just giving you button related. I'll give you a demo. For guitar, beginner curriculum covers basic chords. You get it, right? The entire course information it's providing to the users. So this is the way we interacting with the people. Okay. Now let's say I want some information regarding piano. Okay. मेरे को PIANO के बारे में details बताओ. I start writing in Hindi also. Let's see it's language agnostic or not.
सर अगर कुछ हम लोग स्पेलिंग यूजर अगर कुछ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक कर देता है मैसेज लिखने में, तब भी तो समझ जाना चाहिए.
Yeah. See, I have written over here, right? मैंने ऐसे ही लिखे हैं देखो. This is not a right one. There are a lot of spelling typo issues, right? But it's a very basic things, right? Even if you do some typo, that the normal way human understand, it will understand. It will jumbled up and it will understand. It's replying it. So it's also language agnostic. Any language you can write it: Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, let's say Gujarati, Bengali, everything it will support. Okay. So this is the way it's happening. Now I'll do one thing. I'll
Okay.
build a knowledge base. Then I'll interact, and then I'll take a questions. Okay. So I'll build a knowledge base here. So this is here. Okay. So I'll do one thing. There is a list. So this knowledge base I will delete. If I delete, now my knowledge base is clean. Okay. Within 1 second, it will clean it out. Now I'll inject one thing. So as I explain, I'll just create a knowledge base now. So let's say this is a property one. I just create a knowledge base. I inject it. Just a second. Name is required. I have to name that one. Let's say NOWLEDG knowledge one. Okay, I inject it. Fine. Now my knowledge base is based. I can go and list it out. So it's saying it's in pending status. The knowledge one is there. So I can make it status is an active. So once I make it active, the background process started. Your knowledge base creation already started. You need to wait for 1 minute. The data is small, so it can be done in 30 seconds as well. If your data is huge, let's say 1 million data, you need to probably wait for 10 minutes. So it's generally it's preferable that once you do the operations, then you wait for 5 minutes. Okay. Now let's say I want to kind of disable it. If I make it disable now, it will delete from the knowledge base. So by this toggle button, you can control it. What can be done, what cannot be done through that one. But once you do this operation, this is very critical to inform you. After 5 minutes only, this information will be active because our entire system has to realign with this information. So I'll just open it and show you what are the details are there. So there are lot of details are there, right? So I'll just go, and this is nothing but my own login. So my another number is linked. This is dummy. So here I'll just type hi. Let's see. It's blue tick typing. Just build the knowledge base. It will be little bit slow. And okay, I have selected the default language is language is Hindi. So default he is replying in the he is replying in the Hindi only. तो मुझे आपकी समझ में नहीं आया, right? So okay, ठीक है. I'll ask him some questions. Let's say, give me my budget is okay. 1 second. My BUD budget is 30 lakhs. 30,000, 3 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Can you please give me some property details? Reply in English. Let's say I write it. So now it's blue tick, it's typing. It will be little slow because the knowledge base it's refreshing now. After 10 minutes, it will be very fast. The way we have seen it here, right? It will be little bit slow initially, but anyhow, it's scope up. It's working started fast. See now, Elite Tower, Umbrella Versa, there are lot of things, right? I'll just verify the information. Is he correct, giving the correct information or not? Okay. So Elite Tower, right? So I have the data over here. Here I can see 1 second. Elite Tower, where is that? Okay, let me put a control F ELI. Where is that? No. Control F. 1 second. Let me kind of ELIT. Okay. Control F ELIT. 1 second. What I'm doing? Okay. Control F ELIT. 1 second. Control F, right? Here I do it finally. See, elite tower, it's came 95 number row. Okay, so let me clean it out. Okay, what is there? It is not having the pricing details. There might be some entry. Otherwise, you don't give, right? 30.9 lakhs, right? Let me do that. Excuse me. 1, 2. Yes. See, here this information is there. Here the information is there. 30.99 lakhs, 1 BHK. What is the 1 BHK 30.99 lakhs? Are you able to see the information, sir? Faisal, sir,
Yes,
you
yes,
are able to see the
yes, yes,
information?
yes.
Yes. So see, there are a lot of property, right? So he is trying to give you the accurate, approximate information as possible, right? My budget is 30 lakhs, so I should give you the information in near about the 30 lakhs. Okay. So this is the nearest information, 30.99, then 31.25, 32. You are getting it right. It try to kind of give you something which is you are likely to buy. So
Okay,
like that, I can verify all the information. We can verify for the sake of demo. We don't verify everything. You can kind of verify everything. This is actually fetching it from this inventory. So this is the way you can build the thing. Okay. So let's say I ask some question which is not in the knowledge base, right? In this knowledge base, I have nothing, right, about the prime minister information. Let's say I type who is PM of India. Okay. Let's say I just write it, right? So now this information is not there. You will reply. Actually, it will take little time because it will scan everything. It will try to find the information. So मुझे इसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं है. Now you can configure this custom reply. Okay. So this is the way entire platform works in WhatsApp. I just give you. Other than this, you can kind of if you have a website, there also we have kind of an client, like these are the live client. So he is kind of one of our client who is using it. So this is a bot like will be coming to your website. Here this guy has opted for call now option also. If you start, you can call it. This will be view IP call. Okay, he can't receive the call. It's the outside of business hours. So that's the reason he put a custom message. Admin is currently busy in another call. Actually, you can call the thing, and if somebody is available in that particular dashboard, they can receive it. Okay. And at the
okay,
same time, there is a chat window. Here you can select whatever the language user wants to chat and he can inquiry. Let's say I type what are, like this guy is having this computer learning center, online courses, right? So I'll write what are the courses PROVID provided by PCIA. You can kind of see. So I have kind of write what are the courses provided by PCIF. It will start replying it to me. Okay. Now if I reply, if my language is Tamil, it will reply in Tamil. Okay. So this is the website. I have I don't have a right now. I hand you the app. I can display in the app also. Like you see, the chat window will come. I have chatted. I have chatted it long back. You can see. So it's a store the history chat also. Like let's say I am a user, I chatted this thing. If somebody else is doing some other chat, so we can kind of store the history. It's a very good thing. Okay, so this is the way these things will work on the website as well. And that's it. That's what the Moina is providing into your table. Now let's say if you want to do an after sale support, nothing else. It's simple thing. The after sale support only somebody will come here, kind of do the chat with this particular bot, and the bot will reply depending on the knowledge base. That's it. So I have just explained you how accurately the bot can kind of penetrate the information if you have a proper kind of an knowledge base. Okay, so it's depend how you run your business, how you build the knowledge base, and our integration channel I have just shown you. It's seamless. It's act seamlessly with all the informations. Sir, any questions? Any questions? You can kind of raise it now. I'll kind of park it. I'll stop sharing it. Any questions?
सर क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है अभी. ये
Okay.
ऑनबोर्डिंग वगैरह होने में कितना टाइम लगता है सर?
So if you have, so for onboarding, there are two information you need to share. The first thing is like you need to kind of have a mobile number by which the WhatsApp integration will start. Second thing, you need to have a Meta active account. If you don't have a Meta account, that's fine. My team can kind of activate it, but you should have an account. That's it. Okay. And if you have an active account and mobile number, it will take 10 minutes to onboard. If you don't have an account activated, it may take 24 hours to 48 hours because there is a approval process from the Meta's end. Generally, it takes 24 hours to get that approval. Once you get the approval, it will just few minutes. That's all. And all
Sir,
are like it's a self onboarding portal. I can show you how onboarding can happen. Okay. I have
अच्छा
any
सर,
account?
ब्रॉडकास्ट वगैरह जो हम लोग करेंगे तो उससे बैंड नहीं होगा ना व्हाट्सएप?
No, 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 no,
मैसेज
no. It's
ब्रॉडकास्ट?
not. No, 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 no. It's not going to ban it. That's the general questions everyone is asking us. So we are the official tech provider, as I explained. So initially there will be stage-wise increment we will do with the message. So initially, let's say 500 will be the limit. So you will broadcast it. When you exhausted with the 500, then there will be a limit which is 1000 broadcasting. And in that stage you also cover, then there will be a long limit of 10,000. Okay. So I think 10,000 broadcasting is too much, right? Till 10,000, it's nothing will happen. After 10,000 also we can do it for that kind of, we didn't do after 10,000, but till 10,000 there is no issues. No issues, no complaint, no customer coming out with any of the questions. Okay. And that's it. And from the pricing standpoint, so our thing entirely on the subscription based model. Okay, you can see the pricing model over here. So we are having a subscription based model. So there is a basic plan, there is a professional plan. Basic plan is for 6,000 customer support monthly, and the professional is 25,000 to 30,000. This is 30,000 till negotiable. And this is 1,999 plus GST. This is basic one. The professional one is the 4,999 plus GST. Okay. And we also have a yearly plan. Yearly plan, we have this. These are the things. If you subscribe for yearly, then your basic plan will become 1665, and your professional plan will become 1465, 4165. Sorry. And that's it. But if you have a requirement for more than 30,000 chat per month, then we have to go for our enterprise one, and that I will negotiate with it differently. So you can kind of tell us like I generally suggest with the basic plan. Sorry, go ahead.
अभी पर मंथ का प्लान से स्टार्ट करते हैं, फिर आगे देखते हैं अगर हो जाएगा
Yeah,
तो
so
फिर
that is what I'm coming in. My suggestion would be go with the basic plan for 1 month. If it is fine, if you suits your business, then you go for a yearly plan. So generally you pay 10 months and you get a 12-month subscription. That's it. And another thing is like for sales support. So once you onboarded into our platform, there will be a relationship manager, which is there was a Deprokas Roy. There is a Roy, someone from my team, who will be kind of create a group or communication channel where you can put all of your concerns, and within 30 minutes it will be resolved. If it is not a technical issue, for technical related issues, we have a SLA for 2 hours. And if it is a severe issue, then we may take 24 hours. Okay. But our after sales support is very pretty much standard. Okay. We kind of prefer to support people, onboard people, use our platform, because if you are getting benefited for your business through our platform, we know you will kind of recommended some other business to use as well. Yes. Any question?
No, sir.
I think it's okay. So we can wind up. After this call, my team will reach out to you for the next level of discussion. So the onboarding, to start the onboarding, you need to we need to clear the, we need to subscribe it, like let's say basic plan. Then once you complete the payment, then there will be a plan activation activity that my team will take care. It will take 5 minutes to activate your plan. Once it is done, then the entire onboarding will kick off. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining. Bye bye. Take care.